Good morning, good morning, good morning. So guess what we are doing? We're making French toast with no eggs. So it's like a vegan style French toast. If you like that golden crispy outside with the soft, tender, fluffy inside, sort of like a French toast stick in between. So if that's something you're interested in, and I know for those of you who've seen that short, y'all seen how golden and nice that French toast was, this is for you. So stay tuned and keep watching and let's get this French toast made. One more bite. One more bite. This was for me. All right, guys, so the things you're gonna need is a bowl to be able to dip your bread in with the mixture. I have some kind of old French bread, you know, the big loaves that you get from Walmart. That's all I'm using. So I'm gonna be cutting that up. I have about 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to be using about a good tablespoon, a little less. It really doesn't make a huge difference, but you do want that cornstarch. That's what's makes it give it that crunch. These are like censored, so you're going to see the light probably go on and off. Then I have my almond milk. I have some cinnamon. I have some nutmeg, and I have some vanilla extract. Now, I would add salt if I didn't have a butter with salt, but it's already a little bit of salt in there, so you don't need to do that. And so also about 2 tablespoons of sugar. All right, you're gonna put your skillet on medium heat, and then we're gonna add some butter to that. Let that get hot while everything is mixing up. So let's do that. You're gonna add about a good, I'll say, tablespoon of butter to your pan and let that melt. Now we're going to melt this butter here for the mix, so let's melt this in the microwave. So to here, you're going to add some milk, and I'll say about a good half a cup of milk. I'm only making a couple slices, not doing too much. You're gonna add your sugar into the mix. You're going to add about a little less than a tablespoon of cornstarch. I don't have a half or so, I would say like a a tablespoon of cornstarch. Add your melted butter. Now I love cinnamon, nutmeg, just a tab. I would say about a good 1/8 of a teaspoon, just to give it a certain flavor that you wonder what misses in yours when you make them and you get them at like a restaurant. So I love cinnamon, so we make sure we put a lot of cinnamon, and then the vanilla extract, and then and I'm gonna put 1 capful, which is probably like a good teaspoon of vanilla extract, and that is it. Let me move this and cut this bread up. Set that there, and I'm just gonna take and just cut some nice, not too thick, but thick enough slices. We should be able to get all these done. I wanted to do this for dinner, but I had other plans, so I said I'll just make it for breakfast. That way I can make the video for you guys. So that's what I'm doing. And then we're gonna go and mix up all of this here, like so. No egg, guys, no egg. And you will love me for this. And you don't have any eggs. And I'm using my almond milk. If you want to know the recipe to how to make almond milk, I think I got a video on it. So remind me so we can put it below. Now this cast iron is nice and ready. So we are going to get into it. If you don't like that much cinnamon, don't add that much cinnamon. So you're just going to dip on both sides like that. When I say I love, love, love cinnamon, you hear that pan sizzling? I don't like a whole bunch of the mixture inside the bread. I just really like it to coat the outside. So yeah, and this should be just enough to make all of these pieces. So if you don't have a big family, this will be perfect for you. Okay? See how the first couple get all the cinnamon? That little baby might have to get tossed out for the birds to eat. Because we are done. Flip it over. Yep. Pull all the extra on here and let them cook, and I'll come back to flip them. I also have me some breakfast sausage cooking. I just want to do sausage and some toast. All right, let's start turning them. You see how nice and golden? The ones with more cinnamon is going to look darker. That's just cinnamon. Alright, let's continue cooking. Always make sure, even as an adult, and I sometimes forget, turn your pan in, because your apron, your clothes, or anything can flip a pan and make it come off the stove, especially if you have little ones. So always make sure you turn your handles in. Alright, once they get to your liking as far as the texture, it is time to plate. So let's plate these bad boys and let me warm up some of my syrup. Now, if you want to know how to make my syrup as well, please make sure you remind me to put the link below, because sometimes I forget with all this editing and creating content. Alright, not going to eat all these, but yeah, that's, yeah, a nice amount. But that's how many I made. Look at that one with the cinnamon. Ooh, I bet it's still going to be good though, because the other side is not like that, but yeah, it's just really golden, but ooh, it's hot. Let me get my syrup and my sausage. I'm gonna put some syrup in here and warm it up. Do you like putting cold syrup on your pancakes or on your French toast? Let me know below. Now my sausage have to be like this. I cannot do a light sausage. Like, that's how I like my hot dogs. Do you like your sausage dark, or do you like your sausage white? Whether it's turkey, chicken sausage, or whatever. Whatever type of sausage or hot dogs you like on the grill or for breakfast, how do you like them? Alright, so let's get some syrup on these. Just nice and warm. Let's get some syrup on them. That's enough. Now my daughter wants some, so I'm going to be giving her some of these. Isn't it ironic how they wake up when they smell food? And I get up early sometimes, so sometimes I eat early, sometimes I don't. But yeah, that is the French toast with no eggs. So if you like this, talk to me in the comments below. And if you have any questions, talk to me in the comments below. And when you make it, let me know how you like it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Do y'all want me to do a taste test? I already know how it tastes, but I can fork it and hold on. So this is how it looks. And we are going to go in and show you. A little bit of sausage. One more bite. One more bite. Well, I'm gonna eat more than one, but I'm gonna give her 2 of these. I'm gonna give her the big ones. And 2 sausage. This was for me. Mm-hmm.